Now this is PU lecture, slide number 23, lecture number 9. So here you should know what is corrosion. Corrosion is the chemical attack of constituents of atmosphere on the metal surface. So it is generally called surface phenomenon. Now generally these reactions are of the oxidation type. Metal will get oxidized to its stable oxidation state, that is called corrosion, and it happens only in the surface. Now you should understand what are the factors that promote the corrosion. It's very, very important. Okay. So what is our topic here? It is factors that promote corrosion. Okay, great. Therefore, first is the reactivity of the metal. Reactivity of the metal means you know what are the active metals in the electrochemical series. So more active metals are readily corroded. Means metals which have positive oxidation potential, they are readily undergoes oxidation, therefore they are readily corroded. This is the first factor, right? Second factor, impurities present. Impurities means only that is pure metal. If there are pure metals, they do not undergo corrosion. Whereas if the impurities are present, then they promote corrosion. The second factor. Third factor, if the air or moisture presence like O2, SO2, CO2. O2, SO2, CO2 are present, they catalyze corrosion process. So what is the evidence for all this? So if you place iron in vacuum, all of you know what is vacuum. If iron is placed in vacuum, it does not undergo corrosion. This is a clear-cut evidence that if the presence of gases are there, then they will promote corrosion. Next, metallic strains. Metallic strains means if the metal undergoing corrosion possess bends, if the metal is bent or if the metal has scratches, if it is having some nicks, faults or cuts in the metal, they promote corrosion. Why this is happening? Because if the bends, scratches and cuts are there, surface area increases. If the surface area increases, surface area will increase the rate of the reaction. Last factor that promotes corrosion is presence of electrolytes. Presence of electrolytes. So the presence of electrolytes will increase the rate of the reaction. Presence of electrolytes increases rate of reaction, rate of the corrosion. You can rightly say rate of the corrosion. So what is the proof for this? Iron metal rusts in saline water. Saline water means sodium chloride aqueous, faster than in pure water. So these are the factors affecting corrosion.